Hello everyone, welcome to Harjeet's World, and my name is Harjeet, and today I came to talk about Qatar Airways assessment interview rounds. I will try my best to give you a detailed information regarding your assessment. For the latest updates regarding the vacancies, please don't forget to subscribe my channel and do hit the like button so that this video can reach to more and more candidates. You can also follow me on Instagram. My ID is Harjeet Dreams. So let's talk about your assessment day. As soon as you will reach at the venue, you will be asked to make a queue, and one by one you will get your numbers and you will hand over your CV to them. As soon as everybody receives their numbers, everybody will be asked to be seated and they will start with the Qatar Airways presentation. In the presentation, they will talk about Qatar Airways and Doha and some benefits, what benefits you are going to get, like your tickets, where you are going to stay, regarding your accommodation and other various things. After the presentation, the first round will be your English test. In the English test, you will get 25 questions to answer within 30 minutes. So your English test is divided into 3 different parts. So A, B and C. So the first part is comprehension. So in the first part you will get comprehension, where you will be given a paragraph and then you will be asked to choose the appropriate answers. The second part is fill in the blanks, and the third is regarding your grammar. So in the third part, it's all about conversation between two people. I would like to give an idea about your English test. So your English test is easy, but it's tricky and you have to be really quick. After your English test, they will ask you to wait outside for 15 to 20 minutes. After that, they will announce the numbers who are selected, and for others, they will ask to leave. After that, you will have your second and third round, which will be combined together. In the second round, it's your arm reach test, where they will ask you to touch 212 centimeters, and at the same time, they will ask you if you have marks or scars on your body to declare. After this round, they will again ask you to wait outside, and again they will announce the numbers who are selected and others will be asked to leave. After this, the fourth round is your pick a chit, where you will be given a topic and you need to speak for 1 or 2 minutes. I would like to give you a few examples, like what is empathy according to you? A unique tradition in your country or at your place? Or what are the benefits of becoming old? After this round, again you will be asked to wait outside, and then once they decided, they will again announce the numbers who are selected and others will be asked to leave. Before the final round, they will ask you to fill up few forms, like your medical form and your declaration, like a birthmark or whatever marks you have on your body. So you have to declare those things on the form. Now I would like to talk about your final round, which may happen on the same day or on the next day. Most probably it will happen on the next day, and it will be for 15 to 20 minutes, which will be your one-on-one round with your HR. I would like to share what kind of questions they may ask you. So they can ask you why you want to be a cabin crew and why you choose to be a cabin crew. What values you can bring to our organization. Next can be why you want to be a part of Qatar Airways. And few more questions regarding your experiences. If you have any experience, they may ask you questions from there. And if you have customer service experience, they may ask you some situational questions like difficult customer, or you had a difficult situation in your previous company or previous job. If you like the video, please do hit the like button so that this video can reach more and more candidates. And don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you. Bye.